guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 7. In today's episode of my Vlogmas is gonna be a gift guide for him, since I did the gift guide for her on, I think on the 5th of Vlogmas. I'm gonna be doing a gift guide for him since you guys requested this as well. Anyways, let's just start because I have a couple of lists, not a couple, I actually have a long list of gift guides if you are confused and if you don't know what to get your husband, your boyfriend, your dad, your brother, or any man in your life, then please keep on watching. All right, so first things first is the sweatpants. Ladies, am I right or am I right? Our men need some sweatpants. And the second one is boxers, any boxers or underwear. Third one will be jacket. There's thicker version and also there's like a lighter version. Also hoodies is a must as well. That's like the really basic ones. We're gonna do clothing first, and also Nike socks. Any type of like socks, they will like also love that. And speaking of socks and clothing, if your person that you're giving is, you know, like a always goes to the gym, give them like a gym running shorts. Also a Nike tights. My husband liked this because since we live in the East Coast, it gets really cold in here. Now it's like getting cold, so Nike tights is a must as well. Also gloves is a must. If this is just for if you're living in like a colder area, like for like my East Coast out here. Okay, so the next one will be belts. It also depends if like there's a work version of belts and also there's like going out. So if your person likes to go out and he also likes belts, then get him a going out belt. And also there's also like a like work version of belts, like, you know, like my suit and tie men's out there. Okay, so I think that's it for the clothing. We're gonna talk about shoes because men and boys like shoes. So if you want to give your dad some shoes, there's like a bunch of shoes actually. Like there's work shoes, there's also like everyday shoes. I'm gonna put all the pictures here so you guys know what to get, or just give you guys an idea on what to get. So yeah, any type of like shoes. And there's also boots. A lot of your dad will appreciate that, especially like my dad-in-law. We've been giving him like boots. And also like a lot of like, if your guy is like a shoe type of person, then get him some Nike or Jordans or like Yeezys, Adidas. Like there's a lot of out there, and like I said, I'm gonna put all the pictures here in the screen so you guys have an idea. Okay, so next one will be scent, fragrance. You guys, this is important because I love smelling my husband because he just smells really good. So I like smelling him. So if you're a person, if you like to smell your boyfriend or your husband like me, then you should get him like a decent scent of like, you know, fragrances. My husband have like a lot of collection, and I don't even know if I want to get him more because he already has so much like collection. But yeah, fragrances is a mess as well because you don't want them to smell bad. Okay, the next one will be a shaver kit or like razor blade, if they like to shave their, you know, beard, or, you know, like whatever they want to do in their hair as well. Yeah, shaver kit and also like razor blades. Just go ask him what kind of brand he prefer, because most of the guys that I know, like they like the specific brand. And okay, speaking of shaving, there's also like shaving cream and also like moisturizer. Men also needs moisturizer, guys. You guys need moisturizer and SPF. Okay, sunscreen is a must. I've been like back and forth with my husband on why he needs sunscreen. He definitely needs sunscreen. Okay, so next is if the person that you're gonna give this is likes to drink. I mean, most 99.9% of guys likes to drink. Give them a cocktail bar. Yeah, there's a lot of bar set. This one I saw on Target and it's very like affordable. Like I said, all the pictures will be in the screen so you guys will know like what to get, or like I just give you guys an idea. Speaking of, you know, like alcohol, this is just for 18 plus. Okay, shot glasses as well is actually good. And last but not the least is the this is just for the drinking, is it depends on what he likes. If he likes dark drinks like Henny, or if he likes white like vodka, then you know, it's up to you if you want to give them the drink. There's also watches. It depends if he likes Apple watches or just the regular watches. And next one will be wallets as well. Wallets is actually pretty good. Next one will be ties. And then there's also Bluetooth speaker, and PS5 and Xbox, any type of Xbox or PS5 is like really hit right now if your boyfriend is like a gamer, or even if your husband is a gamer, if he just likes to like play games in general, just give him that. Make sure he's worth it though, you know, just saying. And the next one would be a gamer chair, which is my husband have a gamer chair and also a gamer table, like the whole thing. That is, it's very expensive, but if you are willing to do that and give that to the person that you really love and deserve, then go for it. And also some necklaces, guys. Necklaces is a must as well. And if your boyfriend or husband, if the person you're gonna give this watch box has so many like watches, like then give them a watch box, because some guys are really unorganized. I'm just saying, they're really unorganized, so give them a watch box. Next one would be this is gonna be the hygiene, so body wash is also good. My husband likes the I forgot the brand, but I'll put the picture here. So body wash is good. Also give them some decent lotion, because they're just human being like us, girls, okay? But yeah, give them lotion as well. And also lip balm, because you know, it's in the East Coast, it's very like, our lips are get so dried here, especially like winter time. Like my husband was just like telling me like he needs to buy more lip balm, so I might just give him that. So also, if your boyfriend is or husband is a gamer, then give him this like Beats headphone, and also like AirPods. So it depends like on his preference, if he likes headphones like the bigger version, or like he just like the regular AirPods. So yeah, that's good as well for you know, for gifts. And also last but not the least, I think this is the last one, is a gift card. Any type of gift card. From, you can give him a gift card from GameStop, Best Buy, or any just type of gift card in general. And you guys, that would be all for today's video. I hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow on my next Vlogmas. Bye.